How's it going?
Hey mate, Andrew.
Mark, nice to meet you.
You too mate, you too.
You're the man that's going to bring me back safe and sound today, are we?
Yeah mate, that's right. Hopefully.
He's got good life insurance, don't worry about it.
Yeah, fuck it.
Where'd you hear that?
There we go.
Lovely. So we'll just idle out behind Evo.
Yep.
And, still recording? Yep, good. We'll just park up behind him. Yep. And just make sure that the tracks are free. So, yeah, you done much of this sort of stuff?
Nah, nothing.
Yeah, just tuck in here. Excellent, perfect. I'll tell you, the trick to doing this is basically is being smooth on the wheel,
Yeah.
and getting your entry speed to the corners right.
Yeah.
If you can get your entry speed right, everything
Come
just
out
makes
right.
sense.
Yeah.
But the moment you go in too hard, your natural reaction is, oh, I'm not turning fast enough. You turn the wheel more, it just turns the wheel sideways, you understeer, you're out in the loose stuff, you've got no traction. If you get the first 10% of the corner right, the rest is just falls into place.
But you don't want to brake too early into the corner either, do you?
Not really.
Giving acceleration.
Well, I mean, ideally, you want to be sort of trail braking a little bit. So you're braking sort of maybe into a quarter of the way into the corner, and then a little bit of throttle, just to sort of, so the diffs work and you're sort of hooked up. And then as you can see the exit, then squeeze the power on. You don't want to see the exit and just jump on it.
I think I was braking a little bit too early on the other ones. You're braking.
Oh, what were you in before?
Evo.
Okay, yep. So, just let them get a bit ahead. We'll do a bit of a sighting lap.
Are we down the bottom now, are we? Or?
No, we're still at the top.
Are we?
And just do a fairly slow one. We'll do both of them.
Okay.
Yep, off you go.
Alrighty.
What have to do a slow sighting lap?
Get right.
Good. Yeah, that's nice. Keep your hands kind of straight. Good. Turn braking not too fast. Okay. So you're a little bit slower. You wouldn't have that out the loose stuff. But that was good. You held it well. Good. So I want to go a little bit easy. It's quite easy to get the car unsettled.
Yeah.
We had a rollover there last year. Yeah. Second fine. Good. Yeah, nice and smooth. Good. Want to break a little hard there, but if you got on the power and it came around, it's good. Excellent. Just be ready to wind that lock off when you come out of the corner. Yep. Second side. Stay on the smooth line. Just hold it up a bit here, just so we get some clean track. Don't want to be hitting stuff too much. Seems like you're fast and you're catching it. Alright, cool. Yep, you go.
That's alright.
Yep. Good, now squeeze the power. Excellent. Power. Yeah, very nice. It's not a bad line though. Oh, the lock is good. Maybe just like slow that. Whoa. Alright, let's stop for a sec.
Yeah.
Alright. So you can see how quickly that could have gone very badly very
Yeah.
quickly, alright? So you need to just sort of be slower into it.
Yeah.
Because if the car's unsettled, then the moment it gets unsettled, you need to be quite quick because it's only a very narrow bit of road.
Yeah.
So let's hope no one saw that. Just driving forward around there.
Yeah.
I can around the tree to the right. That's all good. Now look over your shoulder. See it over there? Good. Good. So let's take a step back on the pace. So you can see how quickly it can go wrong.
Yeah. So the track's a little bit not down there.
Yeah, you can be very precise on the direction. Good. I like the way you got the sliding there. It's too fast on the entry speed. You get the entry speed right, and then you just drive forward. That's good. Nice and tight here. And just back up a bit. I reckon Greg had a heart attack just then. Oh yeah. And then slow down and left here. Now just wait a minute so we're not sitting in his dust. Got my heart beating.
Yeah. It's all part of it.
Because that's exactly the corner where we had a roll, and that's
really?
exactly what happened. Got a little bit out of shape.
Yeah.
Back wheel went up on the bank,
Yeah.
and it was over. It can happen very
It's
quickly.
just because it's jumped a little bit and then you lose your traction and then it's all over again.
Yeah. It's not necessarily all over, but it takes a bit to catch it. So we'd like to just not get in that situation. Everyone seems to run wide here. Just need to wait until you can see it. Squeeze it a bit up. Side because the will come through over here a bit. So what happened there?
Back went out a little bit and I overcorrected.
No, you didn't correct at all.
Oh really?
Yeah, you
Didn't correct enough.
No, you hardly corrected. You sort of turned the wheel a little bit, and sort of braked, and we just sort of spun. Yeah. So when it does go, you do need to get it,
a bit more.
Ease off the power.
Yeah.
Catch the slide, squeeze it back on, and you're there.
So you don't brake.
You don't want to just, I mean, if you're going off the side of the track, you need to brake. But when you brake, you're unsettling the car and you're tipping it further forward. Rally cars are driven on the accelerator just as much as the wheel.
Okay.
So when you get off the power, you tip the weight forward, the back gets loose. So you can be in a corner and you want to tighten your line and get it more sideways. Come around, off the power, the back will come around. Okay. So that's why it started to slide in the first place. Now when you do it, when you're expecting that, that's fine. Because you can do it and it helps tip you into corners and so on. When you're not expecting it, you do actually have to catch that slide.
Okay.
So that's good. I mean,
Hey?
Roll in one piece, it's all good. The here. Concentrate on keeping it smooth and don't unsettle the